This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming hardware and software. Get an audio interface with a 1/4 instrument jack and connect your guitar to it. Once plugged in, connect the interface to your Mac and power it on. Garageband reads interfaces only after they're active. Open Audio MIDI Setup to verify an input device appears, and then launch Garageband. Make sure input monitoring is off until you create a track, because you don't want sudden loud feedback as you continue. Once GarageBand is open, create a new audio track and pick your interface input from the drop-down. Choose mono for a single guitar. Arm the track for recording and enable input monitoring so you can hear your guitar through software effects. Play and adjust the interface gain until peaks sit around -6 to -3 decibels to avoid clipping. Watch GarageBand's meters too. Then choose a preset or keep it clean. Either way, you'll hear the difference and be ready to record. Now you're ready to record. Enable count-in if you want a lead-in, hit record, and play. If you hear latency, toggle low latency mode and reduce buffer size in audio preferences to tighten monitoring. After recording, duplicate and overdub additional tracks, then save and export as WAV or AIF for best quality. If you don't get sound, make sure GarageBand's track input matches your interface, and that Mac OS sound preferences show the interface as input and output. Reconnect cables and restart the app if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.